In this video, we are going to learn what is lead generation, how it works, and how you can get started as a beginner. If you stay till the end of this video, you will learn 5-step framework which you can instantly follow right now and get started with lead generation without wasting any time or money. So let's go. Number 1 in our list is identifying the niche and the audience. This is very important step for the whole process. Every other thing is going to depend on this step. What you are going to create, what offers you are going to promote, what is the thing you are going to give them to collect leads. Everything is going to depend on this step. So make sure you identify your niche and your exact audience which you want to target in this step. Number 2, finding the problems which your audience is facing right now. In this step, you will find the problems your audience is facing, so you can create solution for that problem and give them in exchange of their email address or other information. Number 3 is creating solutions. Don't worry, your solution don't have to be a 40 hours of well created course. It can be anything. It can be a 1-page cheat sheet, or it can be a 10 minutes of you speaking in front of the camera and a beginner video, or it can be just a simple ebook, 5 pages of ebook, or it can be just a 5-minute of video where you are giving them few secrets about something, about solving their problem. Step 4, creating a landing page or the capture page where you can capture the information, the leads. Now, if you are a beginner and you don't have any technical knowledge or any coding knowledge, don't worry, there is a software called ClickFunnels which will not only help you to create these lead pages, but they will also help you to convert those leads into a regular paying client. I will drop the link in the description where you can go and take your 14 days free trial. I will also drop proven lead pages templates in the link in the description, so you can instantly use them in your business. Which takes us to the most important step. Step 5. Going in front of your audience. Now, you can do it with paid ads or organic traffic. Paid ads will take money to go in front of the people, where organic traffic will take time and you have to create content, regular content to create your audience. No matter what you are doing, paid ads or organic traffic, you will get the best ROI if you have your sales funnel in place, which will not only help you to generate leads but also help you to convert a random person on the internet into a regular paying client. If you want someone to help you with sales funnel, I will drop the link in the description for One Funnel Away challenge. It can be a game changer for your business. You will get 14 bonuses and free consulting with me if you join One Funnel Away from the link in the description. Please leave your comments in the comment section and tell me what your takeaways are, and please subscribe to my channel to see amazing videos in the future. And thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.